Hey guys, so I'd like to talk a little bit about the game's features here. Instant action mode, which includes scenarios and the battle editor. First of all, you can have these pre-built scenarios here. These are for player created ones. These are for the ones that will come with the game. Right now there's only one scenario, but there will be more as we get closer to release and beyond. These instant action scenarios here, they're used to just give you instant access to combat. So the one that comes pre-created with the game is just a small battle in an asteroid field, a bunch of small craft, and whenever I want to test features or sound or HUD or for bugs or maybe look at the AI, I load up this scenario and away we go. I also use these to create gameplay videos. They're just an easy way to get a bunch of things exploding on the screen for players to look at and hopefully enjoy watching. And I'm gonna exit out of this, going back to the main menu. So again, this is the area for developer created ones. There will be more here. These will be also unlockable via gameplay or via other scenarios. So for example, if you get into a certain portion of the story, you'll unlock another scenario, maybe showing you the story from a different aspect. And now to the battle editor. The button is located here, and in just a moment we are going to get a map that looks much like tactical mode. Controls are exactly the same. You can even move the light over there. And I have my list of objects here. I can quickly add different objects in the game. Right now these objects are completely unlocked. However, in the final version these won't be unlocked at the beginning. You'll unlock them through playing the game. So I added some bases. I'm going to add some stations here to add to the mayhem. I can link these stations to my base that has different functions in the game, but let's add some ships. When this turns red, it means there's a collision, so the game won't let you create objects that are colliding with each other, because that would be very bad. Physics would go nuts all over the place. So here I can quickly duplicate to just get a lot of ships going on, and let's just add some bigger ships just for more mayhem, and they'll automatically just move to avoid collisions here. We definitely want some crazy mayhem in this scenario to show off to you guys. I can also add asteroids just for some added variety for fun, right? Now normally you wouldn't see this scene in the game, but because in the battle editor we can do whatever we want, we can easily create this here. I'm going to designate this as my starting ship, and also here I can even tell certain ships to attack certain ships right off the bat via right clicking, just like in tactical mode. And I'm going to hit play, and after a short load all my objects are going to go into the game, and we can commence with the insane mayhem. There's a bit of a lag because of all these ships in close proximity to each other, and of course all these explosions and projectiles going on, right? But after a few short moments of loading, we're back to normal. Normally in the game you wouldn't see this lag. It would be certainly up to the player or to create these crazy scenarios, right? So the cool thing about the battle editor, actually how it started, was because in testing I needed to create these different scenes, test different ships, and it was getting kind of difficult because the more ships I had, the more testing would take time. So I created the battle editor to quickly add all these different objects to the game and test them. And not only is this a cool feature for me, the developer, but also for you guys, the players, right? Because now you can create custom scenarios. You can have modders create different types of maps, including missions, story, just like the regular game. So I think it's a very cool feature. I'm going to jump out of this, exit into the main menu, and whenever you create a scenario, the last one gets saved here for you to instantly recall. This section is again for player created ones, and in the battle editor I can load the previous maps. Again, I can delete objects, delete everything, start from scratch. And again, this is the battle editor. Hope that you'll find this a very cool feature in the game. Thanks for watching.